Serious security issue disrupt classes at Vauxhall High. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Classes at Vauxhall High School on Whitburn Road in Kingston were this morning disrupted following a security issue. Emergency services, including the Jamaica Fire Brigade and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, were called to the location and are carrying out an investigation. Director of Safety and Security in the Ministry of Education said an emergency response team was quickly dispatched to the school after the report was made and administration advised to evacuate the school. It's not immediately clear what was the security concern at the educational institution. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have an updated report to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.